Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record a specific window here in OBS Studio. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's say, for example, I would like to record only this Steam application right here. Okay, so what do we do? Open up your OBS Studio. All right, now go ahead and add in a source right here. Click on Add Source. Now click on Window Capture. Okay, click on it. Now give it a name if you want to. All right, if not, just click on OK. Now, once that's done, there will be a pop-up right here. Just basically select the window right here, click on the drop down. Now, let's say again, I'm going to go ahead and select Steam. All right, as you can see here, Steam has now been added. So just basically click on OK. Now, I'm going to go ahead and disable display capture right here. And if you want to fit it to screen, just right click on the window capture. Now, go ahead and find transform and stretch to screen like so, and there you have it. Now if you want to change the window in the future, for example, I'm going to open up another window right here, maybe the File Explorer. Okay, so just basically double click on window capture. Now change it right here. All right, there you go. Hit on OK and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.